How to turn on or turn off Siri announce notifications reply without confirmation on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Siri. Then we scroll down and tap on Announce Notifications on speaker. Make sure this is switched on. Then tap on Announce Notifications. In here, go down and tap on Reply without confirmation. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And when this is on, it said that when acting on a notification that supports replies, have Siri send replies without first reading back the message. And that's it. And down here, you got Announce Notifications from, and you can choose which app can make use of this feature. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.